happy Valentine's Day and a million happy tomorrows. Happy Hearts Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Who's this on?
Grandma and Grandpa?
Sand art. What? Sand art?
Oh, that's fun.
I don't get it. I didn't play with sand.
We'll have to look at it.
I don't know. Ready? Coloring! Okay.
Let's see. Oh, so cute.
Follow your heart.
Oh, that's cute too.
I'm so drunk.
Oh, Izzy, that's cute. Now you have a shirt to wear tomorrow.
Okay, here's the sand art. Here's the sand art.
Oh, something
Oh,
heavy.
it's like connected or something.
Oh, that makes sense.
Candy.
Okay, there's something.
I'm gonna give this to every person tomorrow. If you need them anyway.
Wait.
Sad face.
I think I know what it is.
Chocolate?
Oh, they're M&M's.
Oh, there's chocolate and regular.
Oh, sweet.
Well, I got a huge peanut.
What do you guys say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Tell